Hi, Mark. Here it is just after 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and that's just after 1 p.m. GMT. It's Thursday, July the 3rd. We'll have a look and see how the US dollar's performing. And the June job numbers out of the US, the jobs report, all very strong, very positive, above consensus. Consensus was for 120,000 new jobs to be created in June. The actual number, 147,000. And the employment rate from 4.3% came down to 4.1%. So strong job numbers. The US dollar has reacted, has strengthened, already giving up some of those gains. And also bear in mind when I go through these that the average true range for most of these instruments has already been hit. So there might not be much room left in terms of dollar strength, certainly lots of room the other way. Let's have a look. I'll start off on the daily on the US dollar index. And you can see there's the big strong push up that we saw on the jobs release number 9708, the resistance. There's the wickets left behind. That's already US dollar selling off and coming down from those highs. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see it coming down. I've got resistance at 97.08, support at 96.25. Average true range on the US dollar index is 68 points. It's already moved over 80, so bear that in mind. Let's have a look at how the majors are performing, starting with the Euro US. On the daily, there you can see big red candlestick selling euro, buying US. US dollar rallied following the jobs report. Already you can see the big wick that is left behind. Let's zoom in on the hourly. There you see the result from the strong jobs report, and there you can see already giving up some of those gains. I've got resistance at 118.10. I've got support at 117.17, which is already about a 90 pip range. Average true range 84. So again, may well have run its course in terms of strong dollar. Let's have a look at the pound. Pound was really weak yesterday against a strong dollar, carried on again today. You can see that there is the wick that's left behind, meaning pound is fighting back. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you see resistance 136.76, support 135.85. There's the push down. There is the pound fighting back, US dollar weakness. The range, average true range is 102 points on the pound US, and it's already run its course of close to 100 pips already. Let's have a look at the US yen. This was the biggest mover following the jobs report. US dollar really strengthened and against the yen and holding on to those gains. I've got support at 143.44 and resistance at 145.29. Average true range has usually about 136 pips, and this movement's already 170 pips with strong US dollar. There's the wick it's left behind. That would be selling US, buying yen. That's the yen fighting back, but not much, as you can see. Still strong US dollar at this point. Don't know how much further it's got to go, because it's already moved, like I say, about 170 pips. Let's have a look at the US Canadian. There we've got the US Canadian up. Pretty much where it started. There, the US strengthened following the strong numbers, all the way up to 136.24. You can already see the wickets left behind and sitting down here at yesterday's close. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see there's the gain following the jobs numbers, the strong US, and there it's giving it all back right now as we speak and sitting at 135.90, already below that 136 number. So let's watch and see how we've got all our relevant levels in resistance support. We've seen the US dollar rally on the strong jobs report, but already giving up a lot of those gains. The strongest, biggest mover was the yen, um, but they're all US dollar is giving up those gains as we get into the US session further. Good trading, and I will keep you updated and posted at the end of the trading day.